Welcome back to Jay Bros channel.
Forecasting methods. We will see few notations used in forecasting. Mathematically, a time series is given as single observed value y of t equal to f of t. The objective of forecasting is to predict the future value of y. Error Et is the difference between the actual value and the forecasted value. So Et equal to yt minus f of t. For example, if the actual value is 100, forecasted value is 90 means error is 10. Here yt is the value of the variable under observation at time t. If it is the various time periods t1 to tn, then the observed values are yt plus 1, yt plus 2 till yt plus n. Here the list of few forecasting methods are given. Averaging methods, moving average, exponential smoothing forecast, Holt winter method and ARIMA model. I will give the simple explanation about the first three methods. Last two methods given in the reference book. Holt winter method will be explained in the demo part. So we will move on to simple average method, which gives the mean value as the forecasted value. Here 5 stock item and cost price are given. The forecasted value is taken as the mean value for the future prediction. This is the elementary method of. Next we will move on to averaging method. The objective of the averaging method is to make use of past data to develop the forecast on the future periods. Forecast value at t plus 1 is based on t, that is f of t plus 1 equal to 1 by t summation of y of t. Now the new observation is y of t plus 1. Once y of t plus 1 becomes available, the forecast for the time t plus 2 is the new mean including the previously observed data plus the new observation, that is f of t plus 2 equal to 1 by t summation of y of t till t plus 1. In averaging method, we will do recursively with the calculating the past data. So this recursion makes the storage as the problem. To avoid the storage problem, the next method leads to moving average. To modify the influence of the storage of the past data, specifying how many past observations will be included in the mean, leads to the procedure of moving average. Moving average forecast is based on the order of k value or m of k, that is given as f of t plus 1 equal to 1 by k of summation of y of t. That k is the recent observation. For example, here the forecast of the April month is taken as the average of January, February and March month. So here I have given April forecast equal to 200 plus 135 plus 196, that is the value of the shipment data, which is already I have shown in the table, divided by 3 equal to 176.7. That is the previous recent observation which is used for moving average. This is one of the method for moving average. This moving average will be applicable for ARIMA model, but we are not touching the ARIMA model here. We are seeing only the moving average, which is the basic idea about the forecast value. So MA of 1, moving average of order 1, that is the forecast of the tomorrow's closing price of stock market is the today's closing price. That is similar to naive forecast. Here in the table I have shown MA of 3, MA of 5 from the 12-month period. Observed values are also given. Here the problem in the moving average is deciding the k value, that is how many past data to be considered. So we are moving on the exponential smoothing method. Exponential smoothing forecast. This is the extension of moving average. Forecasting by the weighted average. Recent observation provides more information than the past. When the parameter describing the time series changing slowly over time, then smoothing parameter is applied. This parameter values lies between 0 and 1. The exponential smoothing method is applicable for cyclic pattern. mostly not used for the seasonal and trend. The exponential smoothing method, the error term is already we have seen, right? Et equal to y of t minus f of t. So the new estimate is f of t plus 1 is the combination of the estimate of the present time period plus portion of the random error generated in the present time. So new estimate f of t plus 1 equal to f of t plus alpha into et, that is error term. Expanding this with the smoothing factor, the equation is given in the rectangle box, f of t plus alpha into y of t minus f of t. So this goes on increasing for observed values, new observed values. When the new observed values are increasing, the weights, the past periods of the weights will be exponentially decreasing. Now here I have shown the table for the shipment data. The same table I have taken, and we need to forecast for the 12th month. That forecast value is given f of 12, and alpha, the smoothing values, where I have given the variation with alpha equal to 0.1 and 0.9 based on the choice of the smoothing factor that has the impact on the forecast value. If it is 0.1, that leads to 205.6, then alpha is 0.9 to 38.6. According to the smoothing factor, our forecast value differs. Either we can choose the 205.6 or 238.6 as the forecasted value for the December month. So this will be eradicated in the ARIMA model. One or more forecast value can be estimated. Here I have given the links for the books and few links for the PPT. This is taken from the IIT, and another book, Forecasting Principles and Practice. This will be helpful for further forecasting models. Thank you.